I'm Kicha, I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we're gonna cook yummy and easy Tur Dal Kichadi. It's easy and one pot. So let's get started. First we have to heat up the saucer. Next we have to add ghee, 4 tablespoons. After it is heated, we add cumin seeds. Then we wait for it. We have to make sure it pops like mustard seeds do. So be a little careful. Next we have to add 4 to 5 cloves. After that, we add 4 to 5 cardamoms. Next we add peppers, 9 to 10. And finally, we add cinnamon sticks, 2 cinnamon sticks. Then we saute for some time. Next, we'll add the onions. I'm using 1 onion. We saute until it looks cooked. It is all cooked. Next, let's add ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon each. Three to 4 green chilies, and we mix. Now I'm getting that aromatic smell. Now we add 1 tomato. It's chopped. I forgot to say that. I'm sorry. The onions and the tomatoes are chopped. Whoa. Now it gets that really good smell. It's gonna be so good with that rice and dal. Next we add the most important part, the spices. I'm adding turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon chilli powder. It's getting a little spicy up in here. 1 teaspoon salt. Now we saute. I'm just eating a little bit of the dal, but it doesn't taste good. Next we add rice and tur dal, 1 cup each. I'm using tur dal instead of moong dal. Normally we use moong dal, but for me, I like tur dal better. Now we have to cook the rice. So most of the people who love cooking would know our next ingredient, water. I'm using hot water, 4 cups. Now we do the normal thing, mix and pressure cook. Let's mix a little bit. Yes, it's nice and mixed. Now let's keep it under the cap. Close it and wait for 4 whistles. 4. So it has been 4 whistles. Let's open it. Whoa! Did you see the marvelous change? It was just water. Now see! Looks so cool. And finally, we garnish it with coriander leaves. And our Toor Dal Kichadi is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye! Mwah.